Yeah, it was a great experience doing it. The support was phenomenal, both from our classmates and from our seniors. They were very cooperative. I like to take this opportunity to thank them. Great work, seniors. You are the coolest.
Thank you very much, Suman. That is really sweet of you. And we have Mr. Pasha. Wait. No, no, wait. Pasha, wait. There's nothing.
తెలుగులో మాట్లాడరు ఇంకా
Pasha, ఎట్లా feel
చెప్పు చెప్పు ఏం కదా ఎట్లా చెప్పు చెప్పు
గ్రౌండ్ అంతా కాదు భాష ఎందుకు భాష
తెలుగులో చెప్పురా ఏదో ఒకటి
దగ్గర భాష సో హౌ ఆర్ యూ ఫీలింగ్ హ్యాపీ అంతే ఇంకేమైనా కావాలా సరే
We'll go over to stalls.
Yeah, we'll move to start.
We'll ask
Sirisha, and we have the night man.
Hello.
Night
man. And we also have Momita Roy here.
కనబడతలేదు
నువ్వు మాట్లాడతారా సో హాయ్ Momita.
Hi.
How was the match? Yesterday.
Oh, it was awesome, and I have a profit.
వస్తుంది
So who do you think is the star of this? Yesterday's match.
బాలేరా
I would say who is the villain today? Villain is Pasha because he has taken 200 rupees from me.
Oh, you're very finance staff. Sirisha who has organized the Operation Series Optimizer, right?
which was a big hit.
Which is a very huge hit. And we would like to ask her feelings about it.
Oh, yeah, combo offer work like your place really worked out. Very nice, thank you, Suman.
Suman, you better. Yeah, we also have Mr. Srikanth who taking care of all the fires. Hi, Suman.
పావని నోటు
Also taken care of the formal events optimizer also.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, he's also taking care of the formal events optimizer. Yeah. So how are you feeling?
We are financially very good. We don't have any deficit right now.
Yeah.
At the last we did it, we made it a very big success.
So that looks actually you've really made it a very huge success. Congrats and I hope you will encourage our juniors also to do the same.
Definitely.
Yeah, we have Pavi who is she's a pillar. Chief warden or chief warden. Chief? Are you? No, wait. No, we want both of you. No, please, Abhinav.
ఫస్ట్ యూ
Yeah, Pavi. So, what should I say? What should I ask you? Because I cannot ask you 1, 2, 3 like the optimizer marketing. I have to ask you everything. So just tell us in few minutes how you feeling today, because this is
నెక్స్ట్ దివ్య
good revolution or it's a new thing what we have done.
The very first time when we have got this chance, we were actually thinking, can we do it or not? But then slowly the crowd started gathering, and then we were feeling very supportive. Every day it passed on, and it was like our support was increasing. So we felt very good, and especially past 1 week, everyone got involved, and it was such a good team spirit. All of us showed, and everyone is only because of everyone we could do it. And thanks to everyone here whoever took part in the event and whatever it is.
Thank you very
over
much.
to Divya.
I think she has told the word what I have told in my speech, that team effort and management. Yeah, we'll take the informal guys afterwards. And,
Divya who is washing hands.
Divya, you're washing out your hands so easily that you master all the thing. Yeah, Divya, how are you feeling? And this is really a good beginning for us in this academic year, and Unnati is a huge success for us. So how are you feeling?
I can only say one thing.
Come.
This thing.
Hello? Yeah, it's working.
Hip hip hooray!
One second.
Yeah.
One second.
Hip hip
హురే
Hooray!
hip hip.
హురే అన్నారా
Nobody is responding.
Everybody is tired.
హిప్ హిప్ అన్న ఒకసారి అన్న మళ్ళా
Hip hip
హురే
hip hip.
హురే
Thank you.
That's really good.
One more.
Yeah.
And today